An F-type main sequence star is a main sequence hydrogen-fusing star of spectral type F and luminosity class 5. These stars have from 1.0 to 1.4 times the mass of the Sun and surface temperatures between 6,000 and 7,600 K. Tables 7 and 8. This temperature range gives the F-type stars a yellow-white hue. Because a main sequence star is referred to as a dwarf star, this class of star may also be termed a yellow-white dwarf. Famous examples include Procyon et Gamma Virginis A and B, and KIC 8,462,852. Spectral standard stars. The revised GX Atlas system listed a dense grid of F-type dwarf spectral standard stars. However, not all of these have survived to this day as standards. The anchor points of the MK spectral classification system among the F-type main sequence dwarf stars, i.e., those standard stars that have remained unchanged over years and can be used to define the system, are considered to be 78 Ursae Majoris and Pi 3 Orionis. In addition to those two standards, Morgan and Amp Keenan considered the following stars to be dagger standards: HR 1279, HD 27524, HD 27808, HD 27383, and Beta Virginis. Other primary MK standard stars include HD 23585, HD 26015, and HD 27534. Note that two Hyades members with almost identical HD names are both considered strong F5V standard stars, and indeed they share nearly identical colors and magnitudes. Gray and Amp Garrison provide a modern table of dwarf standards for the hotter F-type stars. F1 and F7 dwarf standard stars are rarely listed, but have changed slightly over the years among expert classifiers. Often used standard stars include 37 Ursae Majoris and Iota Piscium. No F4V standard stars have been published. Unfortunately, F9V defines the boundary between the hot stars classified by Morgan and the cooler stars classified by Keenan, and there are discrepancies in the literature on which stars defined the FG dwarf boundary. Morgan and Amp Keenan listed Beta Virginis and HD 27383 as F9V standards, but Keenan and Amp McNeil listed HD 10647 as their F9V standard. Eta Cassiopeia A should probably be avoided as a standard star because it was often considered F9V in Keenan's publications, but G0V in Morgan's publications. Planets. Some of the nearest F-type stars known to have planets include Tau Bootis HD 10647, HD 33564, HD 142, HD 60532, and Koi 3010.